As always, this is the time when you ask those ever burning questions about why in the wide world of sports you did not get something right, Brian.
How do you do number 3?
Why do we have such trouble with these sales tax ones? What did you do?
I didn't remember to ask my mom, so.
But we do. I'll bet of the last week we've done the sales tax one 3 or 4 times. What's my lead in? Anytime we talk about sales tax, I go, boys and girls, anytime you talk about sales tax or tip,
Multiply?
you do multiply. And that's why this is called, this is the word of means multiply. So you're going to multiply. You want to know what 8% times 16 is. And then my second thing, Caleb, is, I remember this, I think I said it even yesterday. How do you multiply 8% by 16? We do not deal with percentages when we do math, so we need to change them either to a case.
The smaller fraction.
In this case, usually when we do sales tax, we do it in a decimal. So Brian, what is 8% as a decimal?
0.1.
Nope, that's 80%.
Oh.
That was my third point. You have to be very careful with that because 80% of 16 is going to be a lot higher than 0.088% of 16. So you can do it. You don't have to make 16. You can leave it in dollars because it'll work out the same either way. 0.8 times 16, 48. Carry the 4, 8, 12. 2 decimal places. $1.28 is your tax. Which makes sense, $16, $1.50. You know, if you got $12 in tax, I think you should say that's a bit high. You must be reasonable about this, whatever your tax rate is. Zach Roth.
What was number 9?
El número el nino is 5/8. Jason.
How do you do number 5?
Number 5. Kids of all ages. Anybody want to help me out on this one? If you were the teacher, what would you say? Oh, no. Anybody? Connor?
5.
It is a division, but you can make your division easier by doing what? And this is a good, helpful little hint for you, Lauren. All right? Yeah, and it's really easy to reduce first off the bat because it what? Anybody? It ends, both of them end with at least 1 0, which means, a little thing in math, you can cross off 1 0 on top with 1 0 on the bottom because that's the same thing as dividing by 10. If you reduce this and divided both top and bottom by 10, these go away. Take my word for it. Then you can either reduce or divide by 2. Either way, you're going to get the same thing. So now it's 4,010. Cut in half or divided by 2, you're going to get 2,005. You want me to do that division or can I do it like that? Pausing, is that okay? Can I do it like that? Sometimes I skip a few steps, which I shouldn't because if I preach it to you, I probably should do it. So let's do it. What would it look like? 4,010. 2, 4, subtract. 0, bring down, brought something down, so I put a 0 on top. Brought something down, I didn't go into it, so I put a 0 on top. Brought something down, go to the 10 5 times. Chase!
What was number 16?
Number 16, as best I know, is 0.024. 0.024. Connor?
Is number 16 an up and down problem, or is it
Is number 16 an up and down problem? I don't know what 16 is, but I will definitely take a quick look. 15? Not here. Over here? By up and down, what do you mean, sir? The multiplication problem. Actually, it's 2 multiplication problems.
Like where I line all of them up at the same time?
Negative. You will note in your, and the first one it probably will line up, but the answer won't line up. Okay? When you multiply by decimals, if you look at your little decimal chart, maybe that's something for you to bring to your test tomorrow, I'll let you use that. You do put 0.2 times 0.3. And in that case, just by coincidence, those line up there, but they won't line up in your answer. 2 times 3 is 6, but where does the decimal go in that? 1 decimal place here, 2 decimal places there, bone, 1 place, 2 place. The answer to 0.2 times 0.3 is 0.06. And then you have to take 0.06 and multiply it by 0.4. Notice now the decimals are not even close to lining up, nor do they have to, nor do you have to do that. 6 times 4 is 24. How many decimal places are in this multiplication problem? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 0.024. A lot of times there's like a sigh of relief when I do that. Sure, great.
What was number 14?
Number 14 is 0.77. What?
How do you do number 12?
Was that straight across? Did you draw? Did you draw? And again, 5th, 6th grade, you're getting to the point where I actually let you do this here. I will let you have a piece of paper that also has the formula for circumferences and diameter. Do we do area of circle yet, or just circumference?
We did both.
We have done both?
No. We have.
Aaron Murray, Joseph, was very emphatic that we haven't. And she's usually pretty reliable.
It's not like
It was like we did area, but
it came up on the math test.
Circumference is pi times diameter. I don't know if we would have done area, it would have been pi times radius times radius. I don't remember doing that. Anyway, Bri asked about this. You draw your pizza. The diameter of the pizza is 10 inches. If you're looking to find the circumference of the pizza, you just plug it into this formula. It told you to use this for the letter pi, so instead of the letter pi, I'm going to write 3.14, and I am going to multiply it by the diameter, which is 10. Now, the beauty of multiplying by 10 is really it's mental math, and you should be able to do that. You shouldn't have to write that all out, because when you multiply by 10, all you need to do is do what, ladies and gentlemen, Madison?
Move the decimal to the right as many times as
there's 1 0 and 10, you move the decimal 1 place to the right, it's 31.4. If you had 31.40 and did it all out, that is perfectly okay, but at some point you might want to just get used to like the easy way to do something. Sometimes it's best to do things easy. So you got that? I will let you have a piece of paper that has this formula on it. You can have that piece of paper that tells you what to do with decimals, whether you line them up, count them over. Feel free to have that. If you want to write yourself some notes for the test, might be a good idea. If you want to take advantage of that, hey. Like it says in Hoosiers, it's your funeral. Everybody know the movie? Yeah? How many times, Cassandra, have you watched it? No. You can't watch Hoosiers just once. Hoosier is a once every 3 months movie, at least. You can quote most of the lines. Is there any other questions over mathematical issues?